First, find a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or on a chair. Rest your hands gently on your lap or thighs and close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. As you exhale, release any tension in your body. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. You don't need to change your breath in any way, just observe it. If your mind wanders, it's okay. Simply bring your attention back to your breath. As you continue to focus on your breath, allow yourself to notice any thoughts or feelings that arise. You don't need to judge or analyze them. Just observe them as they come and go. If you find yourself getting caught up in a thought, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Now expand your awareness to your body. Scan your body from head to toe, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Without judgment, simply observe these sensations and breathe into them. Your exhale will help you release any noticeable discomfort. As you continue to scan your body, bring a sense of curiosity and openness to each sensation. Notice any areas of your body that feel relaxed and at ease. We tend to be drawn towards unpleasant emotions and pleasant sensations. Notice how by simply switching your focus, you can easily spot what feels nice and pleasant, even if it's a very small thing or small part of your body that feels relaxed. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath. Focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. Allow your breath to anchor you in this present moment. As you continue to focus on your breath, allow yourself to feel a sense of gratitude for this moment of stillness and presence. For having allowed yourself to take this moment just for you. Take one more deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. When you're ready, gently open your eyes or lift your gaze. Bring the sense of mindfulness and presence with you into your day. Thank you so much for joining me in today's meditation. Take care, and I love you.